What are you going to do?
Can you snore?
Snore. Lay down. Are you snoring? Are you snoring like Papa? Snore like Papa.
Papa.
Papa snores like this. She cracks me up. Oh, you silly rabbit. One more? Okay. That's so funny. One more? You got one more left in you, huh? Why aren't you snoring?
Because.
Oh, oh man. Oh, that didn't feel good.
Hey, snore. Snore, Kesley.
Mama.
You got one more? Lord, what's that?
I got a close up of that one.
Oh, you silly girl. Oh, that's so silly. Watch out, don't get away. You make too much noise, girl. I gotta go sleep in the other room. Hmm?
Night.
Can you tell Grandma night-night?
Night.
Sleep tight.
Like the bug bite.
The bed bite?
Head bugs bite.
Yeah.
Night-night. Night-night. No, no more. Oh, man. One more. One more. You're such a teaser. You ham. Crazy. All right, Grandma's getting up. I've had about all the fun I can stand. You stinker wink. You gonna lay in the bed and go night night now? Oh, you practicing the new moon thing?
Night.
Yeah, I gotta go night night. Huh?
Can I go?
Nope. You get to go to night night too. It's that time of the day. Say again.
Where's Carter at?
Carter's fixing to get his clothes and go to night night too. Okay.
Should do first.
Say again.
Should do Carter first.
Carter's a little bit older, so he gets a little bit more privilege.
Hi.
You
Hi.
watch Doctor Who with me, right?
I'm not a Doctor Who fan at all.
That's why I asked for him to watch it with me.
Oh, Carter, yeah, he'll watch it with you.
Cool. He has that much time left. Oh my way, I only have 1 minute and 30 seconds left to film. Or digitalized memory.
Oh, goodness.
I wish I had got that on tape. That was funny.
I still set up without any assistance.
Ow!
You want me to do it again?
The Did you seriously just nod yes? Do it again.
All right, girly whirlies, it's bedtime.
You girly, girly.